Welcome to our channel, friends. In this video we will inform you about Elmasburnu Nature Park, located in BEYKOZ district of Istanbul. In this content, you can find answers to many questions such as where is Elmasburnu Nature Park, how to go, entrance fees and camping, picnic activities. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Elmasburnu Nature Park, which has become a frequent destination for those who want to both camp and enjoy the sea. This beach, which has an area of approximately 13 hectares, gained the status of a nature park in 2011 with the decision of the Council of Ministers. Elmasburnu Recreation Area. Elmasburnu Nature Park has a walking area of 9,000 square meters, 165 picnic units, a restaurant overlooking the blue and green bays, a buffet, 2 playgrounds and 29 lodges. Elmasburnu Beach and Nature Park has a parking lot for 227 cars. Which days is Elmasburnu Beach open for women? In the Nature Park, which was brought in by the BEYKOZ municipality, a beach exclusively for women, a decent restaurant and buffet overlooking the blue and green coves await visitors 4 days a week. The beach, which attracts great attention every season, serves women only on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Boys over the age of 7 are not allowed on the beach. Female personnel are available at the facilities on special days for women. As a family, the area can be shared on Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays. Elmasburnu Picnic Area. There are various activities you can do in Elmasburnu Nature Park and Beach. At the beginning of these activities is picnic. In the Nature Park, which is a wonderful picnic area due to its natural beauties, you can bring food and drink from outside, buy it from the beach buffet, or meet all your needs from the markets and stores when our vehicles take a break before entering the beach. Is there have barbecue place in Riva Elmasburnu? With natural gas barbecue units, picnickers have an effortless and environmentally friendly picnic. An important detail is, unfortunately, it is forbidden to bring barbecue samovar too, but for your information, there are also those who do. You burn your barbecue in the barbecue areas in the facility's own area. If you are not going to barbecue or bring food, there is a restaurant in the facility located in Elmasburnu Nature Park that can meet all your food and beverage needs from breakfast to dinner. Elmasburnu Restaurant, on the other hand, offers its visitors a rich menu consisting of local delicacies and fresh drinks. The service hours of this restaurant, whose prices are not very expensive. How is BEYKOZ Riva Elmasburnu Beach? Elmasburnu Nature Park is also a magnificent beach. The beaches are not stony, the beach is sandy and the inside of the sea is sand. The sea water is very clean and clear. Therefore, you can swim easily in the beach and enjoy the sea, sand and sun. You can also encounter algae in some parts of the sea. There are also changing cabins and showers in Elmasburnu Beach. Is it possible camping in Elmasburnu Nature Park? There are areas in the nature park where you can camp with both tents and caravans. However, you are only allowed to set up a tent during the day in the nature park. What's inside Elmasburnu Nature Park? You can enjoy nature and this magnificent nature park by hiking alone or with a loved one. You can also do bird watching on the beach where there are different types of birds. In addition, Elmasburnu Nature Park has a lifeguard, changing cabin, prayer room, health cabin, wash basin, shower cabin, playground, restaurant, lodge, health cabins, table and chairs, changing cabins, sun loungers and umbrellas, cloakroom and buffet service. Elmasburnu Nature Park entrance fees for July 2023. Entrance to Elmasburnu Nature Park is paid and the list of entrance fees is published by the General Directorate of Nature Conservation and National Parks. According to these details, the list of Elmasburnu Nature Park 2023 entrance fees is as follows. Full entrance fee per person, 21 Turkish liras. Discounted entrance fee per person, 11 Turkish liras. Entry fee by bike, 21 Turkish liras. Entry fee with ATV and motorcycle, 45 Turkish liras. Entrance fee with pickup truck, car and pickup, 65 Turkish liras. Entrance fee by minibus, 190 Turkish liras. Entrance fee by bus, 630 Turkish liras. Sunbed, 100 TL. Umbrella, 100 TL. Small camellia, 70 TL. Big camellia, 140 TL. Two-person lodge with dinner, 700 TL. Lodge for 2 people without meal, 500 TL. Where and how to go to Elmasburnu Nature Park. To reach Elmasburnu Nature Park, you can use your own vehicle or travel by various public transportation vehicles. If you are going to use public transport, it is sufficient to take the bus number 137. In addition, you may want to reach the park by minibus and minibus. At this point, it is sufficient to take the C304 minibus line. If you are going to reach the park with your own vehicle, it is possible to reach the park in a short time by going to Riva and moving towards the sea from the Riva Cemetery. Those who wish can reach Elmasburnu Nature Park by using ITT 136 or -137-136C flights. You can also use Elmasburnu beach shuttles to reach Elmasburnu Nature Park. Detailed information about Elmasburnu Nature Park and beach can be obtained from BEYKOZ Municipality Call Center. You can call 444-66-61 phone numbers. Detailed information for Elmasburnu Beach Service Transportation and Reservation can be obtained from the call center of KaraTUR. You can get information from the phone number 0216-606-1774. Reservations are made for service only. There is no reservation for the facility. For Nature Park service routes, the transportation fee is only 200 TL for an adult, and the long-distance fee is 250 TL. Children aged 0 to 6 are free of charge and come on their mother's lap. Children over the age of 6 are subject to adult fees. Beach entrance fee and services such as camellias, sun loungers and umbrellas within the facility are charged extra by the facility. Regions where service is provided on the European side: Arnavutköy, Bagsalar, Baslievler, Bakırköy, Bayrampaşa, Beşiktaş, Beyoğlu, Esenler, Ayap, Fatih, Gaziosmanpaşa, Gungoran, Kajathang, Sultangazi, Sicily, Zeytinburnu. The regions where service is provided on the Anatolian side are Ataşehir, Beykoz, Sekmeköy, Kartal, Mines, Dadalu, Kakmak, Esenser, Kadıköy, Maltepe, Sancaktepe, Pendik, Findikli, Gaztepe, Bostanchi, Kozyataji, Kayıstağcı, Sultanbeyli, Umraniye, Üsküdar, Sarıgazi, Tasdalin, Kesikli, Kamlika, Kareslitepe. It is in the form of Libidai. Services are prepaid reservations. The service hours are 6:30 to 70:00 in the morning, and the departure time in the evening is 17:00, and the arrival time is 20:30 to 21:00 depending on the traffic situation. You can make your reservation one day before the day you want to go to the beach and until 19:00 by providing the information requested from you from the contact numbers. Elmasburnu Nature Park and Beach contact information 0537 735 39 23. Or you can call 0212 538 04 61 or 0532 794 14 94. The address is Riva Mahallesi, Elmastabya Kadezi, No 50, BEYKOZ/Istanbul. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of our video. Do not forget to leave your questions and opinions about this wonderful nature park in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.